welcome back to the channel. This is a 2006 Gen 2 Toyota Prius, and this is the reason why you want to go in, pull out your panels, and inspect your cooling fan. All right, this is why. Because look at all this. That is like, that's a lot, right? That's why you gotta go in there. You gotta inspect it. Because this has not been cleaned in, it looks like, never. So that's gonna diminish the ability for the traction battery to be cooled off properly. Because the airflow is gonna be restricted. So here it is. It's a lot cleaner than it was. That's the main goal, make it cleaner than it was. So now I'll put it back in that slot right there, and plug in the connector and put it back together again. So if yours does not look that clean, you should take the time to clean it. Doesn't take very long. Just vacuum cleaner is good, a little scrub brush, tiny little ones. I'll show you what I used. Used a combination of whatever I can get my hands on, really. Q-tips work well, but you know, brushes, little paint dabbers. So this gets in there, and then I'll use compressed air to give it a little help. And then I'll use the vacuum on one end. So, very simple. Not much to it, just make it look clean, and that's all.